Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings within the God of War game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the God of War game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, you can immediately start playing your game, and if you wish to change your graphics settings, click on the settings option. Now within the settings page, you will see the display as well as the graphics settings. Click on display first, and you can now choose the GPU that you would like to use in order to run your game. If you have multiple ones, make sure to choose the external GPU if your internal CPU graphics is selected. After choosing your video device, you can choose from your display mode between windowed, full screen and borderless, and you may also define your resolution for render as well as output. After choosing your aspect ratio, you may also choose whether you want to have VSync on or off. And there is also option to set up triple buffering. You can choose the level of film grain, and you can calibrate your display, and you can also edit further details within the advanced section. After making your desired changes, you can go back to settings and then click on the graphics option. From here, you can use the preset menu in order to choose from low, regional, high or ultra. If you have enough VRAM within your device, then you may push until the ultra quality, or you can set up something of a lower value. Finally, you can go back now after making your desired changes, and when you now start your game, your chosen graphic settings have immediately been applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the graphic settings within the God of War game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.